Freak. Hey YouTube, hi, I'm Mayla, and welcome to another one of my videos.
Back again like flu season. I broke records while loose leaf, and I'm coming down my road.
In today's video, I'm going to be doing a hair mask and a hot oil treatment. So the mask that I'm going to do is going to be a combination of my own ingredients and also some store-bought stuff. So the hair mask that I'm going to use, I'm going to be using these two ORS packets. You know, if anybody's watched more than one of my videos here on my channel, you would know that I really love ORS original root stimulator. I'm going to be using their packets, you know, bow, and the ingredients that I'm going to be adding is the coconut oil, you know what I mean, bow, an egg, and some mayo. And then after I'm done saturating my hair with that stuff, I'm going to be doing the hot oil treatment with this olive oil. I'm gonna heat it up and then put it on top of this, on top of the hair mask, and then I'm gonna wrap it all up, let it sit, and let's see. Y'all see this? It's dry, but anyway, let's get into this video, shall we? Here goes nothing, guys. I've literally never put food in my hair like this on my own. The last time I put food in my hair, I was a child and my mama did it. it. So I already put the oil inside of the squeezy thing, and it's already heated up. So I'm gonna put this over top of these. Well, I'm gonna put it on my hair. So I'm gonna undo these, put the oil on it real quick, twist it back up. Now that that's washed out, let's see what these results are looking like. See if it's freaking, moisturized and all of that good stuff. Okay, so, it looks cool, bro. Just making sure I don't smell it in my hair, because I hopefully I wash that stuff out good. That was it. Get a little close up in there. Y'all see that? You know what I mean? And this is my hair with no product, bro. This is just this fresh off the little mask that I made. So I'm try other masks. People do like avocado stuff, shea butter powder, or shea, or however you call that. All these different concoctions. But right now I'm just gonna I'll probably put some leave-in on this, and then I'm just going to put it up in braids and leave it alone, because I don't want to play in it too much. And if you enjoyed the video, then make sure you leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!